Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Tortang Talong with Giniling. First, let's prepare our main ingredients. Begin by roasting 2 to 3 eggplants over an open flame or in an oven until their skin is completely charred and the flesh inside is wonderfully tender. Once cooled, carefully peel off the burnt skin, making sure to leave the stem attached. Next, prepare your savory Giniling by sautéing about 1/2 cup of ground pork or beef with 1/4 cup of diced onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic until browned. Season it well with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for a flavorful base. Now that our eggplant and Giniling are ready, let's assemble our torta. Gently flatten each peeled eggplant with a fork, spreading the tender flesh evenly to create a wider surface. Then, spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious cooked Giniling mixture directly onto the flattened eggplant. In a separate shallow bowl, whisk 2 large eggs, adding just a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Carefully dip each Giniling-topped eggplant into this egg mixture, ensuring it's thoroughly coated on all sides, ready for frying. It's time to cook our Tortang Talong. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over a steady medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your egg-coated eggplant into the hot pan, making sure the Giniling side goes down first. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is thoroughly cooked through. Gently press down with your spatula to ensure even contact with the pan, creating a lovely crust. Your delicious Tortang Talong with Giniling is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still warm. It pairs wonderfully with a generous serving of steamed white rice and a side of classic banana ketchup, or perhaps a tangy vinegar garlic dipping sauce. For a little variation, you could add some diced bell peppers or green peas to your Giniling mixture for extra color and texture. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.